Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can get various different items, rewards and gems on the Angry Birds 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Angry Birds 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now from this page, if you wish to buy gems or various different items, then just tap on the gems plus icon at the top left corner. This will now open up the shop page where you can use your real-world currency in order to buy various different gem packs. Just tap on your preferred pack and you can use your payment method such as your credit or debit card in order to finalize your transaction right away. You can also check out the daily deals section where you can claim various gems as well as other items by watching a small ad. You can tap on the claim button to begin the ad and then watch it completely until you see the close button. You can also get various other bonuses by collecting various game objects. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to purchase gems and various other items on the Angry Birds 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.